Wednesday, the 3rd of September, I went down to Leighton beach to see if there were whales were frolicking around, and sure enough, up they popped as soon as I got out of the car. So I put the drone up, and we managed to get some footage of the two whales, a mother and its calf, frolicking off Leighton beach, which is part of Perth, Western Australia. The whales, they surfaced, then they went down, then they came up again for a breath of air, and we managed to get a few shots of the whales themselves.